Muako lowu akiwe hi 1882 hi yin'wana ya tindhawu ta ndzhaka eKomani. Muako wu tshwile tolo, vanichara ni switirhisiwa swa nkoka swi sweswikulohlo. Vaaki va hlundzukile va koxa ku byala vutihlamuleri.
We are suspecting that there's something that they are trying to hide, like the evidence. Once you pen down all the computers and all the books, there is no evidence there. This week, an auditor was supposed to visit those offices. Unfortunately for that auditor, the office is banned now, the town hall is banned.
Masipala wu le ku endleni ka malunghiselelo man'wana yo rhurhela vatirhi.
We ask to meet with managers so that we speed up the process, or allocate all the staff to different offices, and then people must start working as early as tomorrow morning. Everybody.
Ku onaka swipimanyetiwa kwalomu ka mamiliyoni 50 wa tirhandi.